In harsh industrial environments, protection isn't optional, it's critical. Every day, workers handle sharp tools, rough materials, and hazardous chemicals. That's where nitrile gloves stand out. Durability isn't just about how long a glove lasts, it's about how well it protects when it matters most. A weak glove can tear at the worst moment, exposing workers to injury or contamination. Nitrile gloves are engineered for these demanding conditions. They're up to 3 times more puncture-resistant than latex and offer strong resistance to oils, solvents, and chemicals. Even under tension, they maintain their structure and resist tearing. They're trusted across industries, from automotive repair and construction to chemical manufacturing and industrial cleaning. Wherever there's risk, nitrile delivers reliability. But performance doesn't stop at material. Storage matters too. Heat, sunlight, and humidity can weaken gloves over time. Keeping them in cool, dry conditions preserves their strength and ensures consistent protection. Choosing the right glove, considering thickness, grip texture, and cuff length, can significantly improve safety and efficiency on the job. In tough environments, nitrile gloves aren't just a choice. They're a necessity for professionals who rely on protection they can trust.